Automated processing of write-protected projects. It is possible to use project management to automate actions for multiple projects. Automated processing was previously not possible for tab write-protected project. With the new version, it is now possible to carry out the following actions for write-protected projects during automated processing. Export manufacturing data, labeling, export PDF, export DXF/DWG, print, backup data. If you select another action in the Settings Automated Processing dialog, tab message is displayed when the dialog is closed that you cannot perform this action.